make a glowing oil. We all know that this is Harmattan period, and this Harmattan period you need
Pretty girl skin tight, took it to the top. Nigeria Afrobeat, gonna make your body.
Hi guys, it's your girl Pretty Girl. In case you're seeing my face for the first time, you're welcome to this channel, and if this is my returning subscriber, thank you for returning back to watch my video. And please make sure you subscribe to this channel. In this channel we talk about skincare products, DIY, and we do wellness and lifestyle in general, so you don't want to miss any of my upcoming videos. So please kindly smash on the subscribe button so you don't miss any of them, and make sure you give me a thumbs up. Leave a comment down below, let me know if you're where you're watching me from right now. Thank you guys. So right now we want to talk about how you can promise any of these two oil you'll be seeing the picture here. It's either the turmeric whitening oil or the soft gel whitening oil. You can get any of this oil. These oil are working the same, they are the same. So you get any of this oil, then you use it, you apply it on your body at night, only at night. But if you are not using this oil and you notice that you're getting darker or you're not seeing the whitening effect of it, then you can go ahead and promise this oil in a safe way that is going to brighten and lighten up your skin. Are you getting it? So this oil that I'll be telling you how to promise it, some people will say it's whitening 100%. If you after 7 days, nafabu. After 10 days you will use this oil, nothing. After 1 month you will use this oil, nothing. The whitening that is written on the bottle is just for adverts. They are not a whitening oil. But if you want to use it as a whitening oil, then you promise them. So I'll be dropping the picture of each product you are going to use to promise them, either here or here. When you get any of these two oil, then you're going to get Nature Secrets oil. You get Nature Secret oil. You can get the argan oil. It is just get 1 bottle of it. You get nano afcas oil. You get 1 bottle of it, and you're going to get glutathione serum. You get 1 bottle of it, not the oil, the glutathione that has container. Get it, 1 bottle of it, and you're going to get this serum. If you want sharp, get pimento serum. If you want extra sharp, get skin free milk or skin perfector serum. I'll drop the picture here. So mix all this oil together and you apply on your skin only at night, only at night. And if you are using it during the day, then you must apply sunscreen on your skin. So guys, thank you for watching. See you guys in my next video. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button.